You need to recognize first that the African Continental Free Trade Area is a great initiative that has a lot of potential economically. But so far, there is a need to check what is inside, if there is something that can be harmful. And as lead or contact person of the seed working group, the participant or the members said that there are something between African Continental Free Trade Area and IPR on genetic resources. What is it about? We need to look at it. Yeah, and we did the research. The main finding is that the section that is talking about IPR, intellectual property right on genetic resource, is about fostering or pushing for the UPOV agenda. UPOV is the plant breeders' right, or the Union for the Protection of Plant Breeders. What does it mean? It means that the seed that should be used legally, properly in our continent should be released by researchers or breeders. This is not a threat in it, but in two hands it can become a threat. It means that only a specific group have the right to produce seeds, while the majority don't have the right to produce them. In the second, which is more deep, is that the breeders are working in a limited number of species or varieties, while the farmers are working or using numerous of species, which is the main strength or the main mean to be resilient vis-a-vis different type of shocks, including climate. So by pushing for the AFSA as it is right now, it means that all we are talking about biodiversity, the work that farmers have been doing for years, for centuries, for millennium, will be dying. So now, what can be done to save farmers within this farmers' right on seeds or farmers' seed varieties or biodiversity within this African Continental Free Trade Area? The very first one is the provision which is already inside. Because as it is agreed that there will be the development of some annexes that will give the roadmap of how it would be implemented. So organization like AFSA or any other organization that is interested on seed biodiversity, on farmers' right on seed, should be involved on the development of those annexes. And they can focus on 2 to 3 points. The very first one is to bring back the right of farmers to use, sell, exchange, save, and do whatever they want on their seeds. They should push for this agenda. Second, they should push for, we should push for, the protection and the promotion of traditional knowledge, indigenous knowledge within AFTA. And third, of course, is to provide a big space for biodiversity conservation or biodiversity management. That's how we see it for now as we go. Fortunately, where I'm going to end, as the African Continental Free Trade Area is under development, is started to be implemented, at the same time, last December only, at the African Union Commission, there has been the development of a farmer managed seed system policy framework. The farmer managed seed system strategy, draft strategy, and an action plan, so that farmer managed seed system will be officially recognized and used in the African continent. So there are two papers that will be coming together. As they are conflictual, but there are still room to improve what AFTA is.